Hello students, my name is Ankit and I am from Jai Somnath English Medium School. Today we will be learning about a poem, How to Tell Wild Animals, written by Caroline Wells. In this poem, the description of various wild animals have been there and how they react if someone is getting in front of them. So that is given in this poem. So we will start with it. If ever you should go by chance to the jungle in the east, and if there should you to advance a large and tawny beast. So suppose you are going to the east part and suppose you are going to the jungle. Moreover, if you have encountered a large and tawny beast, okay, a beast means a very large animal with the hairy, okay, that part or that beast is lion. That beast is lion. If he roars at you as you are dying, you will know it is Asian lion. So if it roars, then you have to presume that you are on the verge of death. If he roars, you have to presume that you are on the verge of death. Moreover, one peculiarity is that never to show the back to the lion, he will definitely attack you. Never to show your back to the lion, he will definitely attack you. Now come to second stanza. Or if sometimes when the roaming around, a noble wild beast greets you with black stripes on the yellow ground. So if someone is roaming in the jungle and if it is encountered with the yellow beast that is covered with the yellow skin and on top of that the strips are of black, just notice if he hits you. This simple rule may apply, you learn. So if you are coming in front of it, then it is a Royal Bengal white tiger or Royal Bengal tiger, and if you come in front of him, it definitely will eat you up and you will not have anywhere to go. If strolling forth a beast you with, if you are going forward and if you see one animal whose hide it with the spots is peppered, that here the hide means the animal skin and peppered here is covered with the spots. So naturally the leopard skin is covered with the spots and the speed of the leopard is very fast. Moreover, it has a quality to climb up on the tree. So as soon as he lifts on you, you will know it is a leopard. It comes silently. One peculiarity or one of the signature of the leopard's coming is that he will never know that he will never let you know that he is coming. Okay, he will come around and very quietly he will attack. He will come around very quietly and he will attack suddenly. You will know it is leopard. 'Twill do no good to roar with the pain. He will only leap and leap you again. Then you will have no chance to roar or cry. He will never give you the chance. Okay, but because once he leapt on you, so he will continue his marking. So the leopard here will do its work in a very silent manner. So he is said to be the silent killer. If you when walking around your yard, you meet a creature then. So if you are walking, okay, in the open space, and if you meet a creature who hugs you very very hard, be sure it is a bear. So bear, what it does, it hugs it very tightly. It hugs very tightly. Be sure it is a bear. If you have any doubts, I guess he will go just one care. So you will feel that he is doing it in a very friendly manner, but that may be very fatal. That may be very fatal because the hug of the bear can choke you up. The hug of the bear can choke you up. Though to the distinguished beast of prey, a novice might nonplus. So novice means someone new to job. So the beast of prey who is someone new to job, and nonplus means confused or surprised. The crocodile you might always may. So here you are talking about the crocodile. Tell from the hyena thus. Hyena comes with a merry smile. So if the hyena wants to hunt, okay, he will or it will laugh. It will laugh and then it will hunt. And if crocodile wants to hunt, it will give the tears. It will give the tears. So it is said that when the crocodile is hungry, we should not go near it. At that time it is hungry. So when the crocodile is crying or crocodile tears is there, The crocodile is hungry and it is ready to attack for its prey. And when the hyena is doing the laughing part, it is hungry at that time and it is ready to hunt down and eat the prey. The true chameleon is a lizard sort of things. He hasn't any ears at all and no single wing. So chameleon is what? Chameleon is a type of a lizard which we see on the branches of the tree. Okay, one of the peculiar part of the chameleon is that it changes the color according to the surroundings. It changes the color according to the surroundings. If there is nothing on the tree, the chameleon will see you. You will be not able to see the chameleon. You will be not able to see the chameleon, but that doesn't mean that chameleon is not present on the tree. It is present on the tree and it will make its presence felt, but you will not be able to see. Thank you.